Hey, what's up, brothers? I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on your Huawei or on a device without a GMS. And this tutorial also works on Harmony OS. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. Now, let's go. The first thing you have to do, brothers, as always, is go to my website. The link is in the description of this video, so go to description, tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website, to this site. On this site, scroll a bit down until you see GSpace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. Now you have to tap on this link and tap on this big blue button, consent, and this button, and tap on download right here. Okay, the file is downloaded. What next? Now go to your files application, this one, later, internal storage, download, browser, and this is the file. So hold a finger on it, 3 dots right here, and extract to, and leave it on current directory. Okay, this is the folder, and now you have to tap on this GSpace, tap on allow, and tap on install, and tap on open, and tap on start, allow, and the application is now loading. So now we have to wait. By the way, this is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, decent phone, but the Mate 40 Pro is much better than this. And this is Mate X2 with Harmony OS, Harmony OS 2, also very nice phone. So we're still waiting, but we're almost there, as you can see, 95 already. Okay, and now don't do anything, go back, go again to files, internal storage, download, browser, this file, and open this folder. And now what you have to do is open the shortcut maker, install the shortcut maker, tap on allow and install, and now open the shortcut maker, tap on got it, and now go back again to files and tap on this shortcut, tap on other, scroll to left, and now you should see shortcut maker, tap on it and tap on always and create shortcut, add, and we have the Google Play icon right here. And now tap on the Google Play icon, just like me, and tap on sign in, and in a few minutes I'm gonna sign in with my Google account, Gmail account, and I will show you sorry, how to download some applications and some games. Of course, as always, I have mentioned that use always the GSpace and our play method with your secondary account, because we don't know who is behind these apps, and with your secondary account you will be fine. With your primary account, don't use it. Okay, now I'm gonna sign in. I agree, accept, and now we are in Google Play, and from here you can download your favorite applications and your favorite games. So let's try Facebook, for example, install, and let's try Instagram. And Instagram, okay. And now we have to wait. As you can see, the Facebook application is now downloading, and still waiting the Instagram, but after the Facebook will be downloaded, it will be downloaded. It will be downloading the Instagram as well. So installed already. As you can see, Instagram is downloading right now, and of course I can open the Facebook application from here, direct from the Google Play, and I can sign in with my phone number or password into my Facebook. And if I close everything, if you want to download something, don't waste your time with the G-Space icon right here. Tap on play, G-Space right here, the shortcut, and it will take you direct. Tap on retry, it's okay, to Google Play, and from here you can download your favorite games and favorite applications. As you can see, the Google Play Protect function is turned on, and this feature protects your device from harmful applications. And if I open the G-Space folder, as you can see, we have here two applications. I already downloaded the Facebook and Instagram, and of course I can download the apps from here. For example, the Facebook, WhatsApp from here, or I can open the shortcut we created right here, and the shortcut takes me to Google Play, and from here I can search for WhatsApp and install the WhatsApp application as usual with Google certified devices such as P30, P20, P10, etc. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video, brothers. Don't forget to subscribe, like that video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask. You are the best, brothers. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Peace out.